Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send PDF file to WhatsApp from PC. So first you need to open WhatsApp web, click on that, open this and connect to your cell phone with your WhatsApp web. As you can see, it is now opening because I already connect my smartphone. So here it is. So I'm going to use that window, close that window here, wait for a few seconds and this will ready to use. Okay, so here is my WhatsApp. So let's suppose I want to send this person. Then you simply need to click on this plus icon and here you can see document and different options. So click on document and now I'm going on to this and here you can, this is my PDF file. Select that and then you need to click here and now it is sending to this person. So this is the process how you can send PDF file to WhatsApp from PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.